Hey everyone, welcome back to Financial Key, the place where we dive deep into smart financial strategies to help you save more, spend wisely, and plan for a secure future. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an episode. In today's video, we're talking about a budgeting method that can completely change the way you manage your finances, zero-based budgeting. If you've never heard of it, or if you've been curious about how it works, stick around because we're going to break it all down for you and explain why it's one of the most effective budgeting strategies out there. What is zero-based budgeting? So, what exactly is zero-based budgeting? ZBB is a budgeting method where every single dollar you earn is assigned a specific purpose. At the start of each month, you begin with zero and assign every dollar to an expense, savings, or investment. No money is left unaccounted for. Unlike traditional budgeting methods where you just adjust the budget from the previous month, ZBB starts from scratch. Each month, you build a new budget based on your needs, goals, and priorities. You're essentially telling your money exactly where to go, down to the last cent. Here's how it works. 1. Income. You start with your total income for the month. This could be from your salary, side hustle, or any other sources of income. 2. Prioritize expenses. You then list all your expenses, including fixed ones like rent or mortgage, utilities, and insurance, and variable expenses like groceries, entertainment, and eating out. 3. Assign every dollar. Next, you assign every dollar a job. You don't just budget for what's left after expenses. You start with zero and make sure every penny is allocated to a specific category, including savings or debt repayment. 4. Balance to zero. The key here is that your budget must balance to zero by the end of the month. If you have extra money, you could use it for additional savings or paying off debt. If you don't, you adjust your spending in non-essential areas. So why is zero-based budgeting so effective? Well, here are a few reasons. 1. Full control of your money. By starting fresh every month, you gain a deeper understanding of where your money is going. You're no longer just reacting to expenses. You're proactively planning how every dollar will be spent. 2. Increased accountability. With ZBB, there's no room for waste. If you overspend in one category, you have to make adjustments in another. This keeps you accountable to your financial goals and forces you to stick to your budget. 3. Clear financial visibility. Zero-based budgeting helps you see exactly where your money is going, making it easier to cut back on unnecessary expenses and find areas for savings. It's a great way to eliminate any financial blind spots. 4. Achieving financial goals. Faster. Whether you're saving for a vacation, building an emergency fund, or paying off debt, ZBB makes it easier to allocate funds to these goals each month. Since you're actively managing where each dollar goes, you can prioritize what matters most to you. 5. Encourages flexibility. The great thing about ZBB is that it can adapt to any changes in your life. If you have a higher than expected income one month, you can allocate that extra money directly to savings or debt repayment. If you experience a drop in income, you can quickly adjust your expenses to make sure you're still staying on track. Let's break it down with an example. Imagine you're earning $3,000 this month. Here's how you might allocate your money using zero-based budgeting. Rent, mortgage, $1,200. Utilities, $200. Groceries, $300. Entertainment, $150. Transportation, $100, debt repayment, $500, savings, $300, miscellaneous, buffer, $150. Every dollar has a purpose, and at the end of the month, your total income minus all these expenses equals zero. It's as if you've assigned each dollar a task, and there's no money left unaccounted for. Common challenges and how to overcome them. Now, I won't lie to you, ZBB can have its challenges. One of the biggest struggles is that it takes time and effort to plan every month, especially if your income fluctuates. But once you get the hang of it, it becomes easier. To make this work, consider using budgeting tools or apps that allow you to track your spending in real time. You can also automate your savings and debt repayments to ensure you're staying on track. Remember, it might feel a bit overwhelming at first, but the payoff is worth it. You'll gain greater control over your finances, reduce wasteful spending, and increase your savings over time. Conclusion. So there you have it. Zero-based budgeting is an amazing way to take control of your finances, prioritize your goals, and make sure that every dollar counts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.